It's here. It's here, guys. It's here. I got it. And now, time for the... Yes. Disclaimer though, it's not an actual knife. It's not a knife. It's a Balisong comb. Let's go, guys! We finally got the butterfly comb. It's made of aluminum and it's really heavy for a comb. Yes, guys, it is real metal, but again, disclaimer, it's not an actual knife. Because, yeah, we're not meant to have that stuff. But guys, I'll go ahead and give you a show of what it looks like. It's amazing. Let's go! We finally here, and now I'm really happy. Thanks, guys, for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want me to make more videos with this thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.